Here we have a problem on exponential equation. In the given exponential equation, we have to find the value of x. Okay, here we find the fourth root of cube root of 3 to the x power. The same stuff we have over here. Okay, for my convenience, I'm going to assign a variable for this stuff alone. That is, let a equals to fourth root of cube root of 3 to the x power. So then the given equation will become cube root of, so for this stuff, I can plug in a. So already we have exponent 3, then we get a cube times, and again, whatever stuff we have here, the same stuff we have here. So for this one, we have assumed a. So we can plug in a for this one too, then we get a, and we have exponent 3 over here equals to 3. Okay, now cube root of a to the third power times a to the third power will become a to the power 6, because whenever we multiply two terms of the same base, we can take the base ones and we have to add the exponents. That's a product rule of exponents. Then I'm getting 3 on the right side. Okay, now in my next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this cube root as an exponent. Whenever I write the cube root as an exponent, it will become 1/3 equals to 3. Now, whenever we have two exponents like this, what we can do is we can multiply the two exponents. So when I multiply this 6 and 1/3, I am getting just 2, because 6 times 1/3 is equal to 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 6 twice. So 6 times 1/3 equals to 2. I'm getting a square equals to 3. Okay, now I can replace this a by this original stuff. Then I'm getting fourth root of cube root of 3 to the power of x whole square equals to 3. Okay, in my next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this fourth root as an exponent. Then I'll be getting the exponent 1/4. That is cube root of 3 to the power of x whole to the power of 1/4. That is, I've written this fourth root as an exponent. Already we have the exponent 2 equals to 3. Okay, now, so now what we can do is we can multiply the two exponents. When I multiply these two exponents, 1/4 and 2, this 2 goes into 2 one times, 2 goes into 4 twice. So the product of these two exponents equals to just 1/2. Then I'm getting cube root of 3 to the power of x whole to the power of just 1/2. I just multiply these two exponents equals to 3. Okay, in my next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this cube root as an exponent. Then I'll be getting exponent 1/3 for 3 to the x power. Let me write it over here. 3 to the x power whole to the power of 1/3. Already we have an exponent 1/2 over here that we can write over here equals to 3. Okay, so here whenever we have three exponents like this, what we can do is we can multiply all the three exponents, because here we have base 3, and for this base 3 we have exponent x, and for this complete stuff we have exponent 1/3, and for this complete stuff we have exponent 1/2. So when we have three exponents like this, we can multiply the three exponents. When I do so, then I'm getting x times 1/3 times 1/2 equals to 3. Okay, now let's multiply the three values over here. So x times 1 is x times 1 is x, over 3 times 2 is 6. On the right side we have 3, and for this 3 we don't have any exponent, so we can assume there is exponent 1. Okay, now so two terms are equal with the same base. That is, the base on the left side is 3, the base on the right side is also 3. So whenever two terms are equal with the same base, we can equate the exponents using 1-to-1 property of exponential equation. So now if I equate the exponents, I'm getting x to the x over 6 equals to 1. So to solve for x, I multiply both sides by 6. 6 will cancel out. I'm getting x equals to 1 times 6 is 6. Now I have solved for x. The value of x is 6 in the given equation. So I find 6 in option D. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.